In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Squarespace dashboard and start fresh by deleting all your websites. This process is straightforward but very important for anyone looking to declutter or completely reset their Squarespace workspace. So let's dive in and take you through it step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account using your preferred web browser. Simply navigate to the Squarespace website and hit that login button. Enter your credentials when prompted, ensuring you double-check your username and password for accuracy. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you'll be greeted by a display of all the websites you've previously created or worked on. This view offers an organized layout where each site is represented as a separate tile, complete with its name and a thumbnail image. It's really handy if you manage multiple sites and need to find one quickly. Now, if you're in a situation where you want to start anew, perhaps your current websites no longer serve your needs, or you've decided on a new direction, you can go ahead and clear everything. Squarespace has made it simple for users to remove websites they no longer wish to keep. You'll notice an icon with 3 dots to the right of each website tile. This is where you'll want to focus your attention. To delete a website, click on the 3-dot icon for the site you wish to remove. Doing so will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your site. From here, select the option that allows you to delete the website, usually clearly marked for user convenience. Before proceeding, do take a moment to ensure you're selecting the right site for deletion, as this action is permanent. Once you've clicked Delete, Squarespace will typically prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to be absolutely sure before you confirm. Once confirmed, the website will be removed from your dashboard, allowing you to declutter or make way for new projects. And there you have it, a fresh, clean slate to begin building anew. It's that easy to manage your Squarespace dashboard, ensuring you have ample space and focus for starting your next project. Remember, keeping your dashboard organized can greatly enhance your productivity and streamline your creative process. That concludes today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions, or if something wasn't clear, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy creating on Squarespace.